Hello, Rose here with Galacey Tax and Financial Services. I just received information from the IRS that I'd like to share with you. The IRS provides relief to Hurricane Beryl victims in Texas. Various deadlines postponed to February 3rd of 2025. That's a help. Filing and payment relief. The tax relief postpones various tax filing and payment deadlines that occurred from July 5th, 2024 through February 3rd of 2025, which is the postponement period. So, as a result, affected individuals and businesses will have until February 3rd of 2025 to file returns and pay any taxes that were originally due during this period. This means, for example, that the February 3rd, 2025 deadline will now apply to any individual, business, or tax exempt organization that has a valid extension to file their 2023 federal tax return. The IRS noted, however, that payments on these returns are not eligible for the extra time because they were due last spring before the hurricane actually occurred. Quarterly estimated income tax payments normally due on September 16th of 2024 and January 15th, 2025 are also included in this postponement. Quarterly payroll and excise tax returns normally due on July 31st and October 31st of 2024 and January 31st of 2025 are also part of this. In addition, penalties for failing to make payroll and excise tax deposits due on or after July 5th, 2024 and before July 22nd, 2024 will be abated as long as deposits are made by July 22nd, which is today. The IRS automatically provides filing and penalty relief to any taxpayer with an IRS address of record located in the disaster area. These taxpayers do not need to contact the agency to get this relief because it's in the system, it's in their database, your address. Additional tax relief. Individuals and businesses in a federal declared disaster area who suffered uninsured or unreimbursed disaster related losses can choose to claim them on either the return for the year the loss occurred, in this instance, the 2024 return normally filed next year, or the return for the prior year, which was the 2023 return, was filed this year. Taxpayers have extra time up to 6 months after the due date of the taxpayer's federal income tax return for the disaster area, without regard to any extension of time to file. To make the election for individual taxpayers, this means October 15th of 2025. Be sure to write the FEMA declaration number 4798DR on any return claiming this loss, which I would do if I would do your return. Qualified disaster relief payments are generally excluded from gross income. So in general, this means that the affected taxpayers can exclude from their gross income amounts received from any governmental agency. Additional relief may be available to affected taxpayers who participated in a retirement plan or individual retirement arrangement, IRA. For example, a taxpayer may be eligible to take a special disaster distribution that would not be subject to the additional 10% early distribution tax and allows the taxpayer to spread the income over 3 years. Taxpayers may also be eligible to make hardship withdrawal. Each plan or IRA has specific rules and guidance for the participants to follow. The IRS may provide additional disaster relief in the future. So as soon as I hear from them, I will pass this information on to you. And if you have any questions, I know there's a lot of information. If you have any questions, feel free to schedule a free consultation on the link below on my calendar link. All right. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.